Hi everyone, my name is Sal Primo. I am the Technical Sales Support Manager for AES Global in the US. In this short video, we will go over step by step the installation of the new 603 RF intercom system by AES. So let's get started. Okay, as you can see, we have already mounted the AES 603 onto the pedestal. We have brought our Cat5 wire here, which is ready to be terminated on this end. Our next step is to start mounting the transmitter on the opposite side of the unit or close to the house as possible. So let's go see and take a look at how far this. This is Mark, lead technician for Mojica Installations, and as you can tell, he is mounting the transmitter right onto the opposite side of the call box, closer to the house. Okay, let's take a look at the terminations on the actual call box, and if we come here, we'll see that everything is diagrammed. So we have a microphone, relay, speaker, and a 12-volt power supply. On the other end, in the transmitter, we will find the same exact connections, which we'll show you in a few minutes. So once we have the two terminated, we're pretty much set and ready to go. Okay, so now let's take a walk and take a look at where the transmitter is being mounted right now. And Mark is actually mounting it right behind the control box of the operator. Okay, so now here's the transmitter mounted on the opposite side of the control box, and here are your connections. And once again, same as the call box, just have to match the symbols, and we're good to go. Okay, so as you can see, I've already terminated the call box at the pedestal. Here we are, transmitter's already terminated, lights are on, power, so we're ready to test. Okay, so we're all done and we're ready to test now. So Mark is going to walk up the walkway, and we're actually going to open up the gate at this point, but just by hitting the release key. And there he goes, it's open, and he's walking through the property right now. And now we're just going to place a call. Okay, we're just going to wait until the gates close, and once they're fully closed, I'm going to place a call to Mark. Mark will answer the phone and release the gates. Gates are closing right now. Okay, we're going to go to the call box, push the call button. Okay, phone's ringing. Mark's going to answer it. Hey Mark, it's Sal. Can you let me in, please? He's going to hit the relay button, and the gates will open. And that's all there is to it. Okay, we've also programmed the keypad, so now if I punch in the code,
I'd rather not.
it will automatically open the gates without having to call the house. Okay, so we're all done and we're ready to move out. And once again, here's a transmitter. And that's all there is to the 603.